Now available at Action Sports and Power Equipment, the Stihl BGA 100 battery-powered hand blower. The BGA 100 boasts impressive blowing power, a long run time, and a quiet motor for noise-sensitive areas. Its lightweight and ergonomic design provides comfort and ease of use without compromising power and performance. Paired with the AR2000 or 3000 backpack-style battery, the BGA 100 is the ideal tool for removing all manner of rubbish and debris. With 3 variable speed settings, as well as a boost function, the BGA 100 allows the user to adjust energy output for the task at hand for maximum efficiency, exuding 15% more power than its gasoline engine counterpart. The BGA 100 is the most powerful handheld blower in the Stihl lineup.
What sound?
Yeah.